How to share Netflix account with friends. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will guide you through the steps on how you can share Netflix account with friends, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, if you want to share your Netflix account with friends, let's say that you bought a Netflix subscription and then you want to share them to your friends. You can't just say I want to add them to my Netflix account. You have to give them the email and password if you want to share Netflix account with your friends. So when you open up Netflix, you cannot just say that I want to give access to them. No, that's not how it works. To share your Netflix account with your friends, you have to give them the email and password that your Netflix account actually has. Now another thing is that, let's say that you are too concerned that they have their own viewing history, you have your own viewing history. In that case, Netflix does allow you to create up to 5 profiles, so you can share with up to 5 friends, and those 5 friends can actually watch from their very own profile. And creating the profile is also very simple. I have already made a tutorial on that. But to share Netflix account with friends, as I said, you have to give them the email or phone number. Only then you will be able to share, otherwise you will not be able to do so. And this way you should be able to share a Netflix account with friends. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.